Okay, we are going to learn how to properly write an essay in MLA format. We're going to use Pages right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that application. We're going to hit New Document. And then we'll go with the blank basic template. So what you want to do, you always want to go in full screen. It's always good to have your page thumbnails showing on the right to get a gauge of what you're doing. The first thing we're going to change is font. We're always going to do Times New Roman for MLA. And the font size is always going to be 12. Next thing we're going to do is make sure we have double line spacing. Next, when you're going to write, you always want to write your first name and last name as a header in the upper left-hand corner. Then you're going to skip a line, and then you're going to write the professor's name. The third line is going to have the class subject. And the fourth line is going to have the date the essay is due. And the fifth line is going to be where you put your title. And then from there, we're going to put the alignment to the left. We're going to begin writing our essay. Next thing you want to be conscious of is we have to have page numbers. So in Pages, we have these 3 brackets up here. And we're going to insert page number just like that. We're going to highlight it and make sure we push it to Times New Roman. And we're going to put it down to 11 size font. Then you're always going to have to put your last name before the page number. And we copy and paste an essay right here. So here we have working title, not needed anymore. So we have our title, our essay paragraphs, and you can see on the second page, it automatically changes to the second page number. Another thing to consider is that everything needs to be 1-inch margins all around, not including the page number. So we can go over here to document, then section. No, actually down here we can see the page numbers or the margins, and they're all 1 inches. So we go over here, this is how we know our page numbers are formatted numerically. Yeah. And then the last thing you need to consider is the works cited page. Should always be on the last page. And you want to make sure you always have hanging indents right there. Perfect. And that's MLA format.